207.05 is the high tick of the day, and Apple, for the first time in history, a company is worth $1 trillion. Morgan said a few moments ago, an historic moment, but to see this happen after talking about it for so many years is amazing.
Cleared it by 0.75 cents, at least right now. So, I mean, I think the question here is, obviously everyone agrees it's just kind of a number out there in space, but it does represent the economic heft of a company in the market's assessment of its future. And the question here is, does it start to feel like a culmination moment, or is it just kind of a stop along the way? And, you know, it's going to be just this line out there that you have 3 or 4 other companies that really can see on the horizon right now.
And of course, does it actually close above it?
Yes, that's another more immediate question. Absolutely.
Yeah. Gene, what do you think now that we've hit $1 trillion?
I was kind of thinking, like, what would Steve Jobs be saying right now? And I think he would probably not say much. He might smile, but he'd be very proud. So that's the first thing that I think of today, that he brought this company back from the brink 20-plus years ago and just created a company that has a culture that really wants to enrich people's lives. And I think, like, it might sound, not like a little off topic here, but I think that is really at the core of what has happened here. They have these products that value the experience, the privacy, and so I guess my initial thought is just thinking about what would Steve Jobs say right now. And separately is I think there's a lot more to go in this story. I think that this story could be 2 or 3 times bigger in the next decade than it is today, because of this shift that's going on to Apple as a service, not just the services business, but their hardware business operating like a service, this cash that they're going to be getting back. I think that this, even though we're past this psychological point, I think that there's significant upside to the stock going forward.